What's going on, y'all? Hope you guys are doing well. Coming at you guys today with I guess a birthday upload. But anyways though, what I got planned for today is I'm gonna go over to a few of my favorite spots. I'm gonna start out here with some live bluegill that I caught yesterday, and I'm seeing a decent amount of tarpon here. So I got tied up 30-pound fluorocarbon, about 2 feet of it, and I'm gonna throw some of these live bluegill out, toss some artificials as well, head over to a few spots. I'm gonna see what's around, and goal is today, catch some big fish. I'm gonna make a second video tonight as well from the beach. Gonna do some land-based shark fishing, see if I can hook up to a large shark off of Dania Beach. So anyways though, y'all, stay tuned for today's video, and I'm gonna get a live bluegill hooked up and see what's in here. Got this candy-sized live bluegill hooked up. Gonna give it a cast out there. And now it's just wait and see. Got a good feeling. There is a fish on that. Not a fish, y'all. It's a bass, I bet. No, what is that?
Yo, you caught a cichlid.
That's insane.
Yo,
I've never caught one of these. All right, y'all. We got a new species to cross off my list. Look at this for the sunrise. Orange fish. I don't know. These fish aren't poisonous, are they?
Nah, but it's a male though, because look at the hump.
But all right, look at this. New species. I have never caught one of these before.
It looks like a big goldfish.
Yeah, it does. Orange sunrise, orange fish. All right, I'm gonna get the release on this fish because I have no idea about it. I'm shocked that that thing was able to eat my live bluegill. It's down there, which is crazy, but alrighty. That's an interesting first fish that I have never caught before. Alrighty, y'all. Gonna get the release on this crazy looking orange fish. My buddy Carlos says it's a Mita's cichlid, so going back in. That's crazy. I have never caught one of those. Alrighty, y'all. Got a new, fresh, lively bait hooked up here, and I'm gonna see. So, just got to this next spot now. Not going to spend too much time here, but I've noticed that this is a good feeding area in this little corner here. So, last time I fished live bait here, actually, I did catch a really nice one. So, I'm going to drop this live bluegill down here, and I'm going to see if there's any fish down there. I just got 8 ball. Alright. I did not let that fish eat it enough, and I'm gonna drop this back down. Alrighty, y'all. Got this super small bluegill now, and I'm gonna get that bait out there right here. And I don't think, I see a bass down there right now, so I think he'll just swallow this up like candy. Oh, he already ate it. He already ate it. He's on. I got him. I got this one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There we go. That's a decent one. Oh, that one's been feeding, it looks like. Look at this one, y'all. That's a decent one. All right, fish number 2 for this birthday video of mine or whatever. But alrighty, there we go. It's a good little largemouth down there. I'm seeing a couple of them down there, so they must have found the bluegill now. So I'm gonna get the release on this fish right here. And good to go. Wow, that fish is slimy. Alrighty guys, going over to another spot now. I'm gonna try 2 more Everglades spots. Then I'm gonna go head over to a spillway and see if there's any snook or tarpon there as well. And probably got a couple more spots in mind, but anyways, let's see what happens. Alrighty, y'all. Wasting no time. I think I'm gonna do 2 or 3 more spots after this. Should be able to get a fish here pretty quickly. Seeing a lot down there right now, so I'm pretty sure they're down there and ready to bite. But anyways though, yeah. So far, everything's hitting a live bait. Some weird orange cichlid to start the morning with. Some largemouth bass. Had a peacock, but ended up losing him in the rocks. But right here I should be able to find a peacock bass. But next spot I'm gonna go to, gonna try to find larger, nice sized largemouth bass, hopefully. Then gonna maybe try for some snook, hit up 1 more bridge. Then I'm running around doing a lot today, just because it is my birthday. But anyways though, gonna hurry up, finish up some of this fishing here. And gonna hit up the beach tonight and do some land-based shark fishing. Ooh, I just got 8 y'all, I think. Oh, there he got it. He got it. He's on. Alrighty. There's a decent peacock bass, guys. Alright, check this one out, guys. Skinny one. Not too thick, but on that live bluegill there, you get the release on this fish. Alrighty, y'all, so getting the release on this peacock bass here now. And I'm gonna go head over to a largemouth bass spot. There he goes. And hopefully I can find a nice largemouth over there. Not sure why he's not swimming off, but he's right there. He'll swim off in a second, I'm sure. Oh, there's a nice peacock right there. I'm gonna try to catch that one. All right. Should be able to get him on this lipless crankbait here. Ooh, he's looking at it. He does not like that. Ooh, I got him. Got him, y'all. Oh, he spit it. All right. Oh, there's a smaller one in there, so. There he is. Alrighty. This is a smaller one. There's two down there. But there's one fish on that lipless crankbait. We'll try to get a couple more down there. Alright, got that hook out. And this one's got some good spots on him. Oh, this fish is so strong, guys. Let me try to lip him here. Oh, he is strong. Alrighty, look at that one, y'all. Good peacock bass there. Get that release. There he goes. Let me try to get the bigger one real quick. Bigger one's down there still. Bigger one. Being real stingy down there. I don't even know if I could get that bigger one on again. No, I don't think so. Gonna go to the next spot. Alrighty, y'all, so still trying this bass down here. He's down there. I'm not sure if you guys can see him, but it's a pretty good one. I'm determined to catch him. So I'm gonna throw out some bottom soft plastics now. I'm gonna see if that gets his attention, but he seems to be stationary down there, so I think he is on a bed, but I'm gonna keep trying around to get this fish.
The next day.
Alrighty, y'all, so I'm back the next day over at this spot. Yesterday I was meant to go to a few other spots actually, but anyways though, I'm back here and there was this big largemouth down here that I was trying to mess with and catch. Wouldn't bite on anything, so it's a little cooler now. It's in the morning. I'm gonna see if he wants to bite now, if he is still down there. I saw the smaller ones that were down there yesterday still down there, so there's a high chance that that larger bass is still down there. I think that fish was on a bed yesterday. I just couldn't catch him. So I'm gonna try to catch him now. If I don't end up catching him, I'm gonna go over to my last two spots that I was gonna go to yesterday, finish up this video for you guys. And last night I went land-based shark fishing, ended up getting skunked unfortunately. But anyways though, y'all, gonna fish down here now. Quickly try to get this largemouth bass if he's down there, and stay tuned. Hopefully I could get him. Alrighty, y'all, so at my next and last spot for the video, only have about 4 bluegill left, so what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna cast some live bluegill around these pylons here. I'm gonna see if there's any tarpon around, and I may try one other bridge after this, but I'm gonna try this bridge first, see what happens. And anyways though, y'all, stay tuned. Alrighty, y'all, that's gonna do it for this video. Had a good birthday yesterday. Fished with some live bluegill yesterday. Made this kind of like a 2-day video basically. Tried to go back this morning and catch that largemouth from yesterday I was working with, and I just couldn't get him to bite. Tried a bridge after, didn't have any luck. But anyways though, got some good interesting fish yesterday and today. Well, not today, but yesterday. And yeah, no, to start off yesterday, got some crazy gold cichlid or orange cichlid. Went over to the Everglades some, caught a bass over there as well. Picked up some peacock bass locally too. But anyways though, y'all, hope you guys enjoyed this video with fishing some live bluegills. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for content just like this. And gonna be posting some more content this coming week, and I will see you guys in the next one.